This is FlatOut. I've never used it before, but I've heard good stuff. So what you want to do is pull this top off, which can be a little tricky. You don't want to pull the cap off like that, just the top. You'll see in a minute. So there's your hose. And then here is your valve stem remover. So you want to put this to the side. Don't knock it over. And you use this to remove your valve stem, hopefully. Really had to push that in there to get it to go. Hopefully it's working. Nope. Try again. That's working good. Definitely don't want to lose your valve stem. So be careful what you do with that. And you want to rotate the tire so the stem is at the top. Put this over the valve. You need to use the recommended amount for the tire. In this case, it's the full 32 ounces. And you're just going to squeeze that in there. Takes a little effort. All right, that's all of it. Put the valve stem back. Now inflate the tire. All right, well, it's been a couple of hours and still holding air. Had some heavy loads in the trailer today. So I think it's going to work. I've heard some good things about it. I've actually never heard about it before until just recently. So of course I did some research, got some good feedback about it. Picked it up at Tractor Supply. It was $17, about the same price as Fix-A-Flat. I've tried Fix-A-Flat before. It didn't work. Worked for a little bit. The only benefit of Fix-A-Flat is you theoretically don't need a compressor because it will inflate your air to some extent. Where here you obviously need a compressor, so you dump all that material in there, which I think is the real benefit because you're taking the valve stem out. You're really able to get a lot of material in there, fill the tire up, and then basically you want to spin the tire to get all that material into all the areas of the inside of the tire, and that's what's going to seal it. So I think it's going to work. If you follow me on Instagram, I'll post an update in a week or two. It's that time of year. I'll be using this trailer a lot now. So if it goes flat, I'll let you know. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.